Hey, what's up, DIYers? Mike Bors with the Mike Bors channel. Thank you for watching. We're talking cars today and referencing our Chrysler Pacifica, and unfortunately we have a pretty significant or large stain on the internal headliner. In today's video we are going to talk about or figure out how we can clean it up and get it removed. Let's take a look. Alright, DIYers, we have made our way outside, and in front of us we've got a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica, and on the left hand side we just purchased a new Pacifica, and here is the dilemma I am faced with. I make all my projects DIY. However, unfortunately, every now and then, and again, it doesn't happen often, but every now and then, I have to allow or let a DIY project slip between the cracks. What I mean by that is, basically, I don't have enough time to make this a DIY project. I've got to get this done today. Now, I could go rent a steam cleaner. However, I actually would want to own one. And when I look at the differences or compare the differences of just taking this minivan to a professional detailer so they can quickly clean it, that is much easier and more time saving than going and renting a steam cleaner. However, let's hop inside the Pacifica. I want to show you our stains. Inside the vehicle now, and to the front where the driver and passenger sit. Overall, not too bad, a few spots. But as we make our way back to where the children sit, it gets worse and worse, as you see here. Initially, I thought it was mildew, but closer view and inspection of it, I just think it's a drink that exploded. As you see. And as we make our way to the rear, where our oldest son sits, you can see really no stains or anything on the interior. This is where the troublemaker sits. Long story short on that. And additional stains on this side. And kids just getting up or getting into the van and into their seats love to touch the ceiling and anything and everything in close proximity, including the vent and the light and the visor and more. However, again, we are pressed for time because we were given an offer on this car and we are selling it early tomorrow morning, and we do not have the time to actually purchase a steam cleaner from Amazon. However, I'm going to show you what we would purchase in the event that we had more time, because again, I make all my projects DIY, and I really am bummed out to miss out on this DIY project using the steam cleaner I'm about to show you. However, from here, we're just going to drive down to our local detailing shop, and again, they're just going to open up the minivan door and come in with their steam cleaner, and again, make probably one pass through. Less than 3 minutes, I'm very sure. DIYers, we are back with you, and we could not be more pleased and happy with the end result. And the detailing shop, they did from front to back the entire above inner liner. And check that out, what a difference. And some parts are still wet, and that will dry. I mean, what a huge difference. And to the very back, again, that portion was not dirty at all. However, there were some stains above this seat here. Zero now. And they even did the inner liner above the trunk. Again, we could not be more happy and pleased, DIYers. Just know you have that option. We hope this helps. Do us a favor, below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That'd be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.